Welcome to our deep dive into the world of hidden banking strategies. In today's video, we're going to uncover some of the best kept secrets that banks don't want you to know about wealth generation. If you've ever felt like the financial system is stacked against you, you're not alone. Many people are unaware of the powerful tools and strategies that can help them take control of their financial future. Throughout this video, we'll explore various techniques that can help you maximize your savings, minimize your debt, and ultimately build wealth in ways that traditional banking methods often overlook. From understanding the power of compound interest to leveraging the benefits of high-yield savings accounts, we'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand strategies that you can implement right away. But that's not all. We'll also discuss how to navigate the often confusing world of loans and credit, revealing insider tips that can save you thousands of dollars over time. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge that can transform your financial landscape. So if you're ready to uncover the secrets that banks would rather keep hidden, stick around. This video is designed to be engaging and informative, aligning with Mark's style of making finance accessible and relatable. By the end, you'll have a toolkit of strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals and build the wealth you deserve. Let's get started. Understanding banking strategies. To truly grasp how to generate wealth, it's essential to understand the fundamental banking strategies that banks use to maximize their profits. One of the primary ways banks do this is through interest rates and fees. When you deposit money into a savings account, the bank pays you interest, but they also lend that money out at a higher interest rate. This difference, known as the spread, is how banks make a significant portion of their profits. Understanding this dynamic can help you make smarter decisions about where to place your money. Another crucial concept is compound interest. This powerful financial principle allows your savings to grow exponentially over time. Unlike simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount, compound interest is calculated on both the principal and the accumulated interest. This means that the earlier you start saving, the more your money can work for you. For example, even a small amount saved regularly can grow into a substantial sum over the years, thanks to the magic of compounding. Recognizing these banking strategies is vital for personal financial empowerment. When you understand how banks operate, you can make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Whether it's selecting the right savings account, minimizing fees, or maximizing your interest earnings, being aware of these strategies puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. By leveraging this knowledge, you can take control of your wealth-building efforts and set yourself up for a more secure financial future. The power of compound interest. Let's delve deeper into the concept of compound interest and why it's a game changer for wealth building. At its core, compound interest is the interest calculated on the initial principal, which also includes all the accumulated interest from previous periods. This means that not only does your money earn interest, but that interest also earns interest over time. This exponential growth is what makes compound interest so powerful. To illustrate, consider this. If you invest just $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, after 10 years, you'll have about $1,628. But if you let that investment grow for 30 years, it balloons to over $4,300. This shows how small investments can grow significantly over time, thanks to the magic of compounding. Another example is if you start investing just $100 a month at the same 5% interest rate. After 30 years, you could accumulate around $100,000. This demonstrates that even modest contributions can lead to substantial wealth if you give them enough time to grow. The key takeaway here is to start investing early. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to compound. Even if you can only invest a small amount at first, the long-term benefits can be remarkable. So don't wait. Take advantage of compound interest by starting your investment journey today. Remember, Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth, and compound interest is the tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. Hidden fees and charges. In today's banking landscape, it's crucial to uncover the hidden fees that banks often impose on customers. These fees can significantly erode your savings and investment returns, making it essential to be aware of what you might be paying for without even realizing it. Common fees include monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, overdraft fees, and even inactivity fees. Each of these can chip away at your hard-earned money, leaving you with less than you anticipated. Recognizing these fees is the first step toward avoiding them. Start by carefully reviewing your bank statements and account terms. Many banks provide a detailed breakdown of fees associated with your accounts, so take the time to read through this information. If you notice any fees that seem excessive or unnecessary, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank for clarification. Often, simply asking about fee waivers or switching to a fee-free account can save you money. Empowering yourself with this knowledge allows you to make informed banking choices. Consider shopping around for banks that offer lower fees or better terms. Many online banks provide competitive interest rates and minimal fees, making them a great alternative to traditional banks. By being proactive and informed, you can protect your savings and maximize your investment returns. Remember, every dollar saved from hidden fees is a dollar that can work for you, contributing to your financial growth. So, take charge of your banking experience and ensure you're not leaving money on the table. Leveraging bank products. In the journey toward wealth accumulation, leveraging various bank products can be a powerful strategy. Let's explore some key options, including savings accounts, certificates of deposit (CDs), and investment accounts, and how they can aid in your financial growth. Savings accounts are a fundamental tool for building wealth. They offer a safe place to store your money while earning interest. While the interest rates may not be as high as other investment options, they provide liquidity and security, making them ideal for emergency funds or short-term savings goals. Certificates of deposit, or CDs, are another excellent option. These time-bound deposits typically offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts in exchange for locking your money away for a specified period. This can be a great way to earn more on your savings without taking on significant risk. Just be sure to choose a term that aligns with your financial plans. Investment accounts, on the other hand, open the door to potentially higher returns through stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. While they come with more risk, they also offer the opportunity for substantial growth over time. By diversifying your investments, you can balance risk and reward effectively. The key to leveraging these bank products is to use them strategically. Compare options to find the best fit for your financial goals. Look for accounts with low fees, competitive interest rates, and features that align with your needs. By making informed choices, you can maximize your wealth accumulation and set yourself on a path to financial success. Creating a personal wealth strategy. Developing your own wealth-building strategy is a crucial step toward achieving financial independence. To start, it's essential to set clear financial goals and timelines. Whether you're aiming to save for a home, fund your children's education, or retire comfortably, having specific targets will give you direction and motivation. Break these goals down into short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives, and assign realistic timelines to each. This clarity will help you stay focused and measure your progress along the way. Next, budgeting and tracking your expenses are vital components of any successful wealth strategy. Create a budget that outlines your income and expenses, allowing you to see where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds toward your savings and investments. Regularly tracking your expenses will also keep you accountable and ensure you're sticking to your financial plan. Finally, diversifying your investments is key to long-term success. Relying on a single investment can be risky, so consider spreading your money across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. This diversification can help mitigate risk and enhance your potential for returns. Additionally, regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio to align with your evolving financial goals and market conditions. By setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, and diversifying your investments, you can create a robust personal wealth strategy that sets you on the path to financial success. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, so stay committed and patient as you work toward your financial dreams. As we wrap up our exploration of banking strategies and wealth generation, let's recap the key takeaways. We've uncovered the importance of understanding how banks operate, particularly in terms of interest rates and hidden fees. We've also delved into the power of compound interest and how it can significantly boost your savings over time. Additionally, we discussed various bank products, such as savings accounts, CDs, and investment accounts that can aid in your wealth accumulation journey. Finally, we emphasized the importance of creating a personal wealth strategy by setting clear financial goals, budgeting effectively, and diversifying your investments. Now that you're equipped with this valuable knowledge, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you on your financial journey. Don't stop here. We invite you to explore our related content on the channel for further learning. Whether you're looking for tips on budgeting, investment strategies, or understanding financial products, we have a wealth of resources designed to help you succeed. Remember, the path to financial empowerment starts with knowledge, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.